Welcome everyone, this is AppTech Pro. Tonight we're going to be working on a iPhone X with a cracked screen, and this is a returning customer. He basically dropped it at the corner and then sat on it, which gave it that little crack right there. So as always, I'm going to go ahead and start the timer, speed up the video, and show you the final result. Hope you enjoy.
Looking at the city like I already own it. Standing on top cause I earned this moment. I took what was mine, now I won't let go of it. Cause I'm a hustler, yeah I'm a hustler. Cause I'm a hustler.
And we are done. So 6 minutes and 36 seconds, and we have a brand new iPhone X screen. And everything still works great. So he didn't care about the water seal because he's actually going to just trade this in to T-Mobile. So if you need an iPhone repair, battery replacement, screen replacement, anything to do with iPhones, we can definitely help. Make sure you check us out on Instagram, Facebook, our website, and also YouTube. I'll leave all the links in the description below. And I just want to thank all of our customers. Thank you for those who watch the videos. And until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks again.